Okay. No, not a lot to go. Kyle said we have a lot to go. We don't have a lot to go, but two more things that we need to talk about. One is the degree of the monomial and the degree of the polynomial. These are two different things, but it's easy to figure them out. Okay? The degree of the monomial is the sum of the exponents of the variables in a term. What? I'll show you. Okay? For instance, well, let's do this. We're going to do the example, then I'll come back to the degree of polynomial, okay? Let me do the example first. This says, example 3 says, find the degree of 5x squared y z to the 4. Let me ask you something, Taylor. Monomial, binomial, trinomial, polynomial, what is that?
I think it's a trinomial.
Not a trinomial. What separates terms?
Oh, it's a monomial.
So this is a monomial, right? Because there are no pluses or minuses between that stuff. So it's just one term. But we need to find the degree of this monomial. Well, the sum of the exponents of the variables in a term. All right, well, let's look at the different variables. We have x. What's the exponent of x, Dylan? Good, thank you. And let's say, Bella, what's the exponent of the y? What's its exponent? Not none.
4?
Not 4.
2.
You don't see it. So what is it?
1.
Exactly. It's 1. Thank you, Bella Sophia. Okay. Y to the first. Sophia. Don't answer, Bella, even though she answered me. Okay? I'm just saying. Sophia, what's the exponent of the z?
4.
Okay. Now remember, the degree of a monomial is the sum of the exponents of the variables of the term. So Grace, what's the sum of the exponents?
6.
Not 6. Not 6. Cecilia?
7.
7. 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 4 is 7. It's a degree of 7 because we add the exponents for all of the variables of a term. Okay, you with me? Now, the degree of a polynomial is the degree, oh no, the highest degree of its terms. Is the same as the term that has the highest degree. So if I have more than one term, for instance, let's say I have 3x squared y plus 2x squared. Okay? Parker A. What's the degree of this first term?
3xy.
The degree of the first term. Put your hand down, please, Dylan, because I'd like Parker A to answer. It's the sum of the exponents of the variables in a term. What are the exponents of the variables in this term?
2 and nothing.
Not 2 and nothing. Not just 2. Sophia?
1.
1.
And 2.
If you don't see its exponent, it's 1. So what is the sum of those two exponents?
3xy.
Nope. What is the sum of the exponents, Parker A? 3. So the degree of this term is 3. Okay? Parker, what's the degree of this term? Just 2. Good. Okay? Now, the degree of a polynomial is the same as the term that has the highest degree. Which of these terms has the highest degree, Parker A?
3.
3x squared y to the first, right? And what is its degree?
3.
So the degree of this expression is 3. Okay, let's get a little extra practice with this, because I just made that up. Good job. Let's look at the next one.
Wait.